Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology. In this lecture series video of electric circuit analysis, today's topic is about equivalent resistance. So, problem number 1. So, find the equivalent resistance between the terminal A and B for the given circuit. So, for this given circuit, we are going to find out the equivalent resistance. So, first thing is, what is resistance? So, resistance is denoted as R. It is used to restrict the flow of charges in a given circuit. If circuit is connected across 3 ohm resistor and the supply is given to the resistor and passed through the load. So, the 3 ohm resistor's main principle is to restrict some flow of charges. It may be if it is 5 amps current is flowing through a resistance of 3 ohms, so that the current is drops to 4 amps or 3.5 amps, whatever it may be. As required amount of current, we can use the resistance value. So this is the basic thing of resistor. So it resists or opposes the flow of charges. So resistor is the main component in the circuit. So we have to know about the simplification of the resistance. So the resistance is further classified into 2 types. So resistor connected in series and the resistance connected in parallel. So these are the two things we have to consider while solving the equivalent resistance based problems. So what does mean by connected in series and connected in parallel? So in a given circuit, there are a lot of resistors are connected in the circuit. So we are having some circuit as in horizontal and some circuit in vertical. So based on this connection, the resistors are connected in series or parallel. So in series, 2 resistors connected between 1 and 1 branches. So the other terminals, so the same terminals connected and the other terminals are connected across any other component, that may be resistor, that may be capacitor or any other resistor also. But in parallel, we know that 2 resistors connected with each other. So like this, 1 and 1 terminals are connected across these 2 resistors and 2 and 2 terminals are connected across these 2 resistors. So each resistance is connected between the 2 resistors is called connected in parallel. So likewise, we are having n number of connections in series and parallel connections. So the basic formula for resistor and series is, so resistance is series is denoted as R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus how much number of resistors connected in a circuit, that is mentioned as Rn. So in resistor in parallel, we know that 1 plus R1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by Rn. So this is the basic formula of R1 and R2. So for example, if 2 resistance R1 is equal to 3 ohms and R2 is equal to 5 ohms. So how you going to solve this in the resistor is connected in series is, R series is equal to R1 plus R2. So R1 is 3 and R2 is 5. So we get the answer 8 ohm resistor, that is for series. So as like that, you can use the formula for parallel also. So R1 is 3 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm. So in parallel, we know that R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So R1 3 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2. So 6 by 5. So solving this, we can get the resistor in parallel formula. So knowing about the resistor in series and parallel, now we are going to find out this problem. So these 2 resistors are connected in series and these 2 resistors are connected in series. These 2 resistors are connected in series. So solving this, we can get the equation like 6 by 12 plus 80 by 20 divided by 16 divided by 15 plus 5. So now we are going to solve the entire circuit by adding the series and parallel format. So now this 18 and this 12 is considered as series. So this will be written as 80 plus 12. So then here this 5 plus 12. So one 60 plus 20. So these are the series formula, and then we have to find out the parallel formula. So written this equation as R Thevenin. So R Thevenin or R equivalent, we can write it as whatever it is. So by solving this formula, so for solving the circuit, we can get the equivalent resistance of 12.5. So you have to redraw the circuit and mention this equivalent resistance as 12.5. So A and B. So the resistance across this A and B is 12.5 ohms resistance. So the unit of resistance is denoted as ohms. So you already know about the ohms law. V is equal to IR, where V is the voltage, I is the current, R is the resistance. Thank you.